In this video, you're going to learn how you can watch YouTube videos later super fast and super easy. And then we are going to save certain videos. When a video appears on the main page, select YouTube. We search a video with this and select 3 points and save to watch later. Second option, press the video and to the slides here, touch save it to a recent playlist, watch later. Now we are going to Pro Life and you see history and watch later in playlist. Touch watch later and to the slides and you see many videos in here. Very quick and easy. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for viewing us. If you have any question, so we can solve them in a tutorial.